Compact mode in Microsoft Teams chat. That is what this video is about. But first, do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it with your colleagues. So let's get into Teams to show you directly what this is. And this functionality is still in preview, so here you see the P, but it's coming to your official rings as well. How to enable it? Well, as you can see, this is the normal mode, and if we go to settings and click on compact at the top and now go back, you see that the whole environment has become a lot smaller, compactor, and so we get 50% more on the screen as you used to have. Now, it depends, of course, of your own settings, what you like, what you don't like. But I think this could be a very interesting setting as well, because as you can see, you can have your pencil on the side. Maybe it's even better, but I'm really curious if you like the comfy one or you like the compact one. So let me know in the chat, in the comments, I mean, on YouTube, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it with your colleagues as well. Well, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.